After 2 weeks and 1 day of not stepping foot into this room, I arrived here at 12 midnight last night. Or this morning. In other words, I have been traveling for the past 2 weeks. In all seriousness, it was a great trip and I did not vlog it entirely from start to finish. I decided not to create YouTube videos on it because I just wanted to enjoy my time in the Philippines because I haven't traveled in 4 years prior to this trip, and coming back home it's been a wacky transition, and so that's what I wanted to film today. I kind of wanted to film the transition from traveling and coming back from that crazy adventure, and it honestly feels like a dream because it's like nothing ever happened because you're just back home now, but at the same time you're just filled with all these new memories and experiences. A lot of people vlog traveling, but no one really talks about the transition from traveling really intensely and then coming back and having to adapt to that again. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna be doing is unpacking. Let's go! As much as unpacking is a dread, we gotta do it because I'm not living out of my suitcase anymore. And also, I'm like just ready to get my life together. So I like bought a bunch of these bubble tea emojis that I literally saw yesterday before our flight. Look how cute. They're so cute. They're so cutesy. I love these kind of suitcases. I ain't gonna lie. Look at this dude. It's so light I can pick it up.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die!
Yay! It's later on in the day and I'm chewing on my vitamins, so love this raw authentic me. I really want to organize this specific drawer, this drawer, which I don't even want to open and show you. I'll probably blur it. I love whiteboards so much and I live by them, so it's quite a long to-do list, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna realistically get everything done tomorrow. Yeah, I need to like renew stuff and work on stuff, and oh yeah, there's some weird things, but we're gonna get through it. Good morning. I slept in today, but honestly my sleeping schedule has been everywhere. But I think I slept at a solid time. Oh, I slept around 12. But that's my fault. A couple years ago, I formed the habit of not going on my phone first thing in the morning. It's just been an ongoing thing. I have not done it in so long. But this year, I decided to extend that habit even more and not go on my phone till after lunch. And it's just like literally, trust me, getting off your phone and not going on your phone first thing in the morning is literally the best thing you could do to yourself, and it just makes a big difference. So I'm going on an organizing streak in my room. Like, I'm finding drawers and cupboards in my room that need organizing, and that's kind of what's happening so far today. Look, the date's so off right now. It's not the 16th of January, guys, don't worry. Oh, that hurts. Yes. Guys, so I just realized each of these, there are 52 different Bible verses, and each of them come with like a week and a reflection, and I turned to this page randomly and it just makes so much sense in my life. And then the next page is a journaling prompt. This is my first Bible study after coming back home from my trip, and one of the first slow mornings I've had. I'm gonna be doing some adulting stuff.
It will be monitored for training and quality purposes.
Hello, I'm just calling because my high school... I need to get off my phone. That is the reason why I don't go on my phone in the morning, because I think I've been on my phone for the past half an hour. For the rest of today, I'm gonna plan this month. Wait. Yeah! Like when you're on holiday, you want to go from one place to the other and you have this itinerary, and when you're back home, it's like this big like transition of like, oh my goodness, like I have to get back into routine now. And I think after a holiday, it's just great to just reevaluate what you were doing before the holiday and what you want to do after the holiday is done, and what your goals are for the next few months, the next month. Good morning, guys. I hope you liked that recreation on how I woke up. I pretty much did that a bunch of times. I snoozed my alarm so much. Anyways, it is almost 9:30, so because I'm trying to get my sleeping schedule sorted. However, yesterday I stayed up. It's not good. Tonight I'm gonna try and improve that, and I think that affected like why I slept in. Today is a day where I'm gonna try and get back on track with the habits that I used to have before leaving for Philippines. Okay, something that's really funny. So when I was in Philippines, I was only taking cold showers, but for some reason, now that I'm back here in Australia, like when I take a cold shower, my body's like frozen. Like it's like, it like hates me for doing it, but I'm literally like,
He just got used to taking cold showers.
but for some reason here, my body just freezes up. Like literally like my fingernails, I don't know if you can see, but it was like slightly purple at the bottom. So like I was cold, guys. Guys, I have work. I've been doing a few things this morning, but now it's time to go back. This was my first shift after being back. It's been literally a month. So hopefully I remember everything. And also this is my first time driving since being back, because I'm gonna drive to work with my dad. I'm still a learner, but it's been a hot second, so hopefully I can get my dad to film a little bit of my driving. Alright, hello everyone. I just came from work, and all I can say is that I forgot what it's like to get into the motions of working, because like, you know how working is like really repetitive and sometimes a little bit dull. It's okay. I do like my job. It's just weird coming back after a month, and I think I'm still readapting to the environment and just like the concept of doing those repetitive things for a long period of time. But yeah. Guys, look at my pants. Oh, look at my slides as well. I love my pants. I got them from my grandmother. Shout out to her. Hi everyone. So I feel like I filmed a lot, and I wanted to film more about like my habit building and getting back into my actual habits, but I feel like that would take a while and habits take a long time to build. But I'm gonna try and hopefully fill up my calendar with a bunch of crosses. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this raw vlog, and for those that have just come back from a trip, I hope that you find the easy ways to get back into routine and you just learn to take things slow and steady and adapt really well. Enjoy my videos. Bye. That was such a terrible ex. I'm so sorry.